Here we have a 2020 FLHXS Street Glide Special, dealer certified, in the bright performance orange. This one comes with a Milwaukee-Eight 114 cubic inch engine, tons of power and torque through all 6 gears. Has a full crash guard, can throw highway pegs on there. Passenger peg with 2-up seat, takes them along for the ride. The Special does have the stretched bags, gives a more custom look, and paint matched latches. These are one-touch lockable. Bullet turn signals and fender lighting. This has Mitazu performance exhaust on them. Also has the docking hardware, so you can add a backrest or rack down the road. 114 badging on the derby cover. Center fill gas cap. This one has the 6.5 inch boom box audio system. Seamless to connect your smart device for music, GPS, contacts. And we're looking at 3,132 miles on the odometer. Has the iconic Batwing fairing, fork mounted, so when you turn the handlebars, the fairing follows. Also has an Aftermarket Clockworks windshield. And blacked out 19-inch Prodigy wheels. Let's go ahead and hear cold start.